Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making banana bread blondies. I know what you're thinking. Isn't banana bread enough? No, never. These banana bread blondies do something a little bit different. You know, a traditional blondie would be a little bit chewy, fudgy tasting, would have that texture to it, whereas banana bread really doesn't. That's more like cake or bread. This recipe, you mix the bananas with the sugars on the stove, get it all nice and caramelized, and then that is your banana sugar base. So it makes the texture different, but have I made this before? No. So let's find out if this is actually what's going to happen and if they really are that good. I was inspired by this song. Your banana and sugar, you have chocolate chips and flour, and I love you. It's true. Well, I don't know if it's true yet, but we're gonna find out. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you wanna do is to get your cake pan ready to go. I sprayed it with oil and then I put some parchment paper in it. Banana, sugar, light brown sugar, mash together. Boil over medium heat. Cook this until it's shiny, syrupy, and caramelized. This will take about 4 to 8 minutes. It's getting close. You can tell it's getting much thicker. You see those amber streaks that it's getting? I want the whole thing to get that way. Then we'll know it is caramelized. It's looking really nice and shiny, and it's this deeper amber color. I think we are good. Let cool for about 5 minutes. Butter. Mix this in first. It's going to help cool down the caramel banana mixture that we have here. I don't want to add the yolk in just yet. Egg yolk. We're looking for it to be creamy and emulsified. Vanilla. Salt. Baking powder. Whisk in. Flour. Stir it in. Sort of folding it. Add in chocolate chips and or nuts if you'd like. Stir quickly because it's a little bit warm and we don't want the chocolate chips to melt. Mix until there are no flour streaks. Quickly pour in your pan before all of that chocolate melts, which it's already starting to, which is okay. Get into the pan as quickly as you can and then spread it out as best you possibly can. It's okay if it's not perfect. Quickly into the oven for 20 to 22 minutes. Time's up, toothpick test. It's chocolatey, but it's clean. Let rest in the pan for about 2 hours, and then we're gonna take it out and cut them and eat them. Look at this great banana bread blondie. You can see that the chocolate did melt a little bit, but that's okay because, I mean, chocolate, banana, sugar, there's nothing wrong with all that. But it's all in the taste, so let's give it a try. Calling this a banana bread blondie is exactly what it is. It has that chewiness that a typical blondie or a brownie would have. And it does taste like banana bread for sure, but you do get that chocolate coming in and that caramelized flavor. These are delicious. If I can make these banana bread blondies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so very much more, like a lot more.